Yeah, good point.
Alright, F-15 Eagle from eFlite, flying on a 4S Admiral Pro 2200. And it's the first flight with the wheels on it. It's been hand launching. Got Jim and his nephew Preston here to help pick up the pieces. Ooh, I don't want to... It doesn't want to turn. It'll turn to the right, but she won't turn to the left.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Not much, I mean.
Oh.
But who needs to go left?
When you can go right.
We'll just go right all the time. Right hand turns. That's full back pressure. That took a lot of real estate to get up, Preston.
Yeah.
Woo. Yeah, she's not quite CG'd out good with the wheels on it. You'd think it wouldn't make a big difference, but
Yeah.
But it did. On this, when you're in safe mode, you've got to have it in high rates. And then when I come out of safe, I usually will go into low rates.
Okay. Looks great.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, it flies good.
Yeah.
See, that's just AS3X mode right there.
Oh yeah, it's so stable.
So it's more, and I went down to low rates on the ailerons.
Okay.
Old man like me, man, with twitchy hands, if I fly in high rates, it looks squirrely on me. I'm going to make a low pass here in front of us.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, she's pretty rock solid. It definitely flies more agile without the wheels, though.
Oh yeah.
Give us a high speed here. So you gonna get you a jet?
My dad wants me to.
Oh yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
Well, I recommend that Rebel or that F-16 from eFlite.
Oh yeah.
Make sure though, if you get the eFlite, any eFlite plane, always get a bind and fly. It's
Okay.
the best value
Okay, yeah.
because it's usually only an extra $20, and that's cheap to get in a receiver with it, you know. Sometimes it'll be 30. Like this one here, I think is $159 for the plug and play, which means you got to put your own receiver in.
Oh yeah.
Or $179 for the bind and fly. So for $20, I mean, you can't even buy a receiver for that.
Yeah.
Well, you could buy a 4-channel one probably.
Yeah.
That sounds like our timer. So this will be the first landing on the gears. And from past experience, I can tell you that these little wire spindly gears usually result in a tremendous amount of bounces if you don't have all of your speed bled off. Right there's no throttle, just one tick. Yep, that's what I thought.
Bounced, yeah.
But I'm not going to go around. I got extra batteries. I'm going to have to move out here. See, that's full left rudder right there.
Oh wow, yeah.
Well, I say rudder. It doesn't have a rudder on it actually. It's
yeah.
it'll turn right okay.
It's a lot more right than left.
Yeah, I think it just needs to be recentered out or something.
Yeah.
Probably need to I may not even be able to pull it into the taxi
I
pit.
can see the water.
Yeah, it
right off of
looks like it's coming out of a car wash.
Yeah.
Yeah, that just won't turn enough.
Yeah.
Alright, well, there it is. Maiden on the wheels. Woo, look at that.
Oh wow.
That is crazy amount of weight on it.
Yeah.
Well, I was going to fly it a couple more times, but I think I'll forego it.
Okay.
Just because of that amount of weight on it. That don't look like it, but I guarantee you that's a 1/4 pound right there.
Yeah.